Hello students, in this video we will be learning about efficiency calculations. Efficiency. Efficiency will give you the total sideband power in the total power. What I am saying? Efficiency will give you total sideband power in the total power. What is the total sideband power? Total sideband power is Pc into mu square by 2. What is the total power? Pc into 1 plus mu square by 2. If you want percentage means into 100 you can take. Cancel the similar terms, then you will get mu square by 2 plus mu square. Clear? So finally, what is the efficiency formula of AM modulation? Mu square by 2 plus mu square. Percentage means into 100. Let me calculate the efficiency for different values of mu. For mu equal to 0, what is the efficiency? Try to calculate. Mu equal to 0.1, what is the efficiency? Mu equal to 0.5, what is the efficiency? Mu equal to 0.707, what is the efficiency? Mu equal to 0.8, what is the efficiency? Mu equal to 1, maximum value, what is the efficiency? For mu equal to 0, if you substitute there, 0 only. For 0.1, 0.49 percentage you will get. For 0.5, 11.11%. For 0.707, approximately 20%. Here, 24.24. For mu equal to 1, you will get a maximum, we already seen, 33.3. Means what is the intention of writing those things here? First point, we want efficiency more or less. Efficiency we want more. More means modulation index also should be more. Are you getting my point? What is the maximum value of modulation index? You can take 1. What is the maximum efficiency for AM modulation? For sinusoidal or single tone sinusoidal messages we got 33. So I can say first point, summary point is, if mu value increasing, then efficiency increasing. Second, maximum value of efficiency is, we got this 33.33 percentage for sinusoidal messages. We taken message signal is a AM cos 2 pi FMT. Still you will get, this value will be 50%. I will also show you the derivation for square waveform. And you will get this is 25% for triangular waveform. Why we are getting different values are? Because we are getting different values. Are you getting my point? We are getting different values because efficiency is nothing but power ratio. Power is nothing but RMS value I told. All the three is having different RMS values, so different mu values we got. This is anyhow, if you substitute mu equal to 1, directly you will get, and remaining 2, I will show you the derivation also. Anyhow, you can remember sufficient, but I will also show you the derivation. The power calculations I already shown for the sinusoidal messages. Now I will show you the calculation for non-sinusoidal, and how the efficiency for square waveform we got 50, triangular 25 also I will show you. Please follow. What is the general expression of AM? The general expression of AM is AC into cos 2 pi FCT plus AC KA M of T into cos 2 pi FCT. What is the power? I can say total power is nothing but carrier power. Of course, AC square by 2 r RMS value whole square. Here also same. RMS value whole square. Then take AC square by 2 r common. If you take AC square by 2 are common, then it will be 1 plus Ka square m square of t. M square of t means power of the message signal. Are you getting my point or not? Now follow. First I am calculating for a trying a square waveform. For example, this is a square waveform we have, like and so on. Let's take amplitude is AM. Now, what is m square I am saying? Power of the message. What is the power of the message? RMS value whole square. What is the RMS value for square waveform? AM only. So AM square. Are you getting my point or not? Of course, resistance value, normalized value resistance is 1 ohm we can take. Already I taken the common means. Now, substitute here. If you substitute here, total power PT equal to AC square by 2R is called, of course, PC into 1 plus Ka square, and what is this? AM square. Ka into AM is called mu, so PC into 1 plus mu square. This is for what? Square waveform. Even here itself I can calculate the efficiency. Efficiency is total sideband power by total power. What is the total sideband power? Definitely you will get PC into mu square. Just multiplication of PC, remaining is sideband, by PC into 1 plus mu square. Cancel the PC, then you will get a mu square by 1 plus mu square. Percentage means into 100. This is for what? Square waveform. And substitute mu value 1. If you substitute mu value 1, then efficiency mu square, 1 square is 1, 1 plus 1 square is 1 into 100, then you will get 50% for the square waveform. Are you getting my point? I take in a general expression. From the general expression, I shown you, I calculate the general formula for power. And for the square waveform, RMS value is same amplitude only, and I substituted, bring the RMS value also. Now, in the similar manner, I want to also do for the triangular message. If we do for the triangular message, are you getting my point? Then, what is the triangular message? What is the RMS value? I am calculating the power of the message. This is power of the message. RMS value whole square. RMS value is AM by root 3 whole square. Of course, into 1 by R. Then it will be AM square by 3. Substitute in the total power. PT equal to AC square by 2R is called PC into 1 plus Ka square AM square by 3. That is for triangular message. So PC into 1 plus K and AM is mu. So mu square by 3. This is the power formula for the triangular message. Then you can also calculate efficiency. Total sideband power, of course, multiply the PC. PC into 1 PC, this is the carrier. Remaining is sideband power divided by total power. PC into 1 plus mu square by 3. Percentage means into 100. Cancel the similar terms, then what you will get? Mu square by 3 plus mu square into 100. Take mu value 1, then what is efficiency? Efficiency will be 1. 1 by 3 plus 1, 4. 1 by 4, 25%. In the previous slide directly given, and here I am showing the derivation also. Because remember the value is sufficient. Why we get different values? Because of different RMS values. Next is voltage and current relations. We have total power PT equal to PC into 1 plus mu square by 2. Getting my point or not? Now, what is first I am seeing the voltage relations. What is the relation between power and voltage? Are you getting my point? So I can say that following or not. So total power PT equal to PC into 1 plus mu square by 2, I already known. So total, this I am writing in terms of voltage relation. So total voltage, you can take VT or VT square by R equal to, this is VC square by R into 1 plus mu square by 2. Where Vt is the total voltage, Vc is the carrier voltage. Then finally, what is Vt equal to? Vc into 1 plus mu square by 2 over the root. Sorry, Vc is already outside over the root. This one. So here Vt is the total voltage, Vc is the carrier voltage. From here, how to calculate modulation index? Definitely it will be Vt by Vc. To avoid the root over the square, plus 1 comes this side, minus 1, all are multiplied by 2, but a mu we want, so square root. Similar manner, I can also write power relations is IT square R equal to IC square R into 1 plus mu square by 2. Then what is IT equal to? Over the root of IC square into R cancelled. Then it will be, I can write IC into over the root of 1 plus mu square by 2. Getting my point? Now from here, what is the mu value modulation index? Definitely same, similar, IT by IC. To avoid the root, square it, and plus 1 comes this side, minus 1, 2 is the multiplication factor. To that is mu square, but mu we want means over the root. Getting my point? This is the relation in voltage. This is in the current. Current relations are important. Their questions are asking regularly in GATE and engineering service examination from the calculation from this voltage and current relations. Clear?